You've designed a great new plastic product, and you need to get it to market quickly. So you need to optimize the parts for injection molding, which means you need to be sure the part thickness is uniform and won't warp, that the mold fills properly, that there are no defects such as blemishes, air traps, and flashing. The mold needs to be perfect the very first time, or you will quickly be overcome with sinking profits. There has to be a better way. Enter SOLIDWORKS Plastics. Using SOLIDWORKS Plastics is the most efficient and accurate way to validate your plastic designs before you start injection molding. In a matter of minutes, you can easily test your designs for proper fill, best injection location, and potential product defects such as weld lines, short shots, and sink marks, all within the SOLIDWORKS interface. SOLIDWORKS Plastics takes the complexity out of testing your designs to ensure you get the mold right the very first time. It does all of the complicated calculations for you, so you can focus on designing. SOLIDWORKS Plastics works directly within the SOLIDWORKS interface, so you can validate while you work. You'll create the best design the first time, every time. To learn more about SOLIDWORKS Plastics, contact your SOLIDWORKS reseller or visit our website at www.solidworks.com. SOLIDWORKS Plastics. Eliminate costly mold rework, improve part quality, reduce time to market.